This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
That voice, that scenery, that crashing wave sound, it's not real. It's not recorded. One prompt replaced a $50,000 production budget with a $5 typing session. This is VEO 3, and the era of autocomplete for video just began. Traditional video, script, storyboard, film, edit, sound design, color correction, render. 7 steps, 7 specialists, 7 weeks. VEO 3 pipeline, type prompt, hit enter. Google just made Steven Spielberg's entire toolkit fit in a text box. Watch this happen in real time. I type, elderly sailor on stormy cliff, recites poem about lost love, waves crash, seagulls cry, melancholy violin. 60 seconds later, I have cinematic video with synchronized voice acting.
The ocean's vast expanse reflects my heart's despair.
Here's what makes VEO 3 different from Sora, Runway, and Pika labs. Those tools make impressive video, but they're silent movies. You add 11 labs for voice, license music separately, layer in sound effects. VEO 3 generates sight and sound as one unified creation. The violin swells exactly when the wave crashes. The voice trembles exactly when the emotion peaks. It's not assembled, it's composed. A recent Audi commercial cost $3.2 million to produce, crew of 47, location fees, post-production for months. Last week, a creator made an equivalent luxury car ad with VEO 3 for $12 in compute costs. This tool makes one person a complete production house. The math isn't close, it's not even the same sport. This isn't just entertainment. Medical schools generate surgery simulations. Corporate training creates danger without risk. History teachers narrate Gettysburg. Real estate sells houses that don't exist yet. Every industry that explains with video just got a superpower. Let's address the obvious. Yes, this eliminates jobs. Video editors, sound engineers, voice actors, entire teams replaced by better prompts. But here's the flip side. It democratizes cinematic storytelling. The kid with a great idea but no budget now competes with Netflix. The small business owner creates Super Bowl quality ads. The disruption cuts both ways. Fair warning, VEO 3 maxes out at 2-minute clips. Consistency across longer narratives still wobbles, and commercial licensing terms aren't finalized. It's powerful, not perfect, but neither was the iPhone in 2007. In 2025, you can either learn to prompt like Spielberg, or watch from the sidelines as someone half your age creates better content with better tools. The creative economy just shifted. The question isn't whether this changes everything, it's whether you're ready for everything to change. Want to stay ahead of tools that rewrite entire industries overnight? Subscribe to BitBiased for AI breakdowns that matter to people who build, create, and compete in the real world. Next week, we're testing VEO 3 against a $25,000 production budget. I'm curious. What's the first video you'd create if you had Hollywood-level tools in a text box? See you next time.